Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to add page numbers on Microsoft Word, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to add page numbers on Microsoft Word, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to the Insert tab right here. And once you're on the Insert tab, you will now be able to see the page number option on the toolbar, so just go and click it. And then you can now select where you want your page number to be placed. If you want your page number to be on the top of your page or the header, select this. If you want your page number to be on the footer, which is the bottom of your page, then select this. But if you want your page number to be on the side or the margin, then this is what you should select. In my case, I will place the page number to the bottom. And then right here, you just need to select where you want your page number to be positioned. Do you want it on the left side, right side, or the middle? It's up to you to select. But in my case, I will position it on the middle. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the page numbers will now be added to your Microsoft Word document. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.